Does anyone else here just snort G Fuel for fun, or just me? YouTube, don't demonetize me as a joke. I'm sorry. What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome on back to the Jerzy channel. It's your boy,
Jerzy.
You know, the one you trust for the alpha before the alpha on top of the alpha. And in today's video, I'm going to do exactly that and give you the next upcoming 3 projects in March that have some massive upside to them, and some projects I'm completely standing behind because I think they have a lot of promise. Also, I bought this weird Elmo thing, so let me know what you think down below. And of course, none of the information in this video is going to be financial advice for you, your dog, your cat, your grandma. No one. This is not financial advice. Please do your own research and stay safe. These are my opinions. They can change at any time. Also, we're on the road to 20k subs, and 99% of you guys are not subscribed. So,
Do it.
thanks. Enjoy the video. So I told you guys that we had the alpha, and today I've got a project called Creamy Friends that is super duper early. This project's got a lot of hype, almost 40,000 members in the Discord, reaching their way to 10,000 Twitter followers, some dope ass art, some dope ass utility, metaverse integration, casino, and an on-chain game. Creamy Friends is going to be the second generation of NFTs for the Crypto Cream Studios. Holders will have access to the private section within the Discord containing Ethereum and Solana NFT alpha crypto calls, live classes that are for beginners all the way to advanced users of the crypto ecosystem, and a huge team of analysts. Also, the Crypto Cream Studios already has the Genesis drop pass, which also gets you the whitelist and an earlier mint price into the Creamy Friends drop. Like it mentions here, guys, the Creamy Friends are the second generation of NFTs from the Crypto Cream Studios. These will reward the holders of the staking platform, a casino game, metaverse integration, and an on-chain game on the Solana blockchain. We've also even got a demo on the website of the Creamy Friends game, which we can't see much about it because it is going to be kind of like blurred out as they are building up some suspense behind this, as well as their roadmap 2.0 that is coming up next. Like I mentioned, guys, we're super early. No mint date, no mint price. Right now, there's just OG and whitelist spots, plus their creamy pass on Magic Eden. And on top of all that, the Patreon down below does have a beautiful whitelist raffle giveaway going on right now. So if you are a Patreon member, go into the raffle. If you're not a Patreon member, it's where I post all my NFT calls, my altcoin calls, my overall crypto portfolio and what I'm doing in the market, my buys, my sell alerts, and overall, a very tight community over there of DJs. So I love you guys. Thanks for the support, and the link's down below. The Creamy Friends roadmap also is packed with a fucking punch as well. Staking will be released on day 1. The DAO will be created as well, and the NFT holders will be able to verify their ownership and gain the access to the CC DAO. Metaverse demo will be released as well, and the holders will unlock private sections of the Discord that pertain to the holders of the project. Phase 2 is where things get a little bit more interesting, as we do have the public launch of the first of many games on the online casino, and proceeds will be used to maintain the liquidity of their token, which will be used to pay holders that are staking their Genesis and Creamy Friends NFT. So for the pass and the profile picture, you'll be able to use both of these in a staking protocol and reap the rewards through their token. Metaverse and the on-chain game demo will be published in phase 2, and then phase 3 is when the actual on-chain game will be fully launched, packed with updates, enemies, levels, boss battles, and much more. Creamy Friends community is also hosting daily game events and daily giveaways as well, back to the community in the Discord. So it's really sick to see the community over there, the developers and the owners and the moderators actually putting in the engagement back with the community and giving them something to be hyped for, as well as the project itself. The team as well are pretty big over on TikTok. I'm assuming these guys are either all IRL friends or they met through TikTok through crypto and NFT needs over there on the platform. But we can see their faces, we can see what they're doing, we can overall see who the people are behind the screen. And this guy himself, Raza, has 300,000 followers, and it seems he does this shit full time. So let me know what you guys think down below about Creamy Friends. The Genesis Pass is trading upwards of 10 Solana as well, which is crazy to see. And yeah, boys, links will be down below. Let's go ahead and check up on a project called the Armadillos, or the Angry Armadillos as some of you might know them as. These are going to be a super OG project on Solana that sold out in 7 minutes, and they're making a return with their Gen 2 of their mutated Armadillos. This is actually a project that I minted myself. This is one of my first mints on Solana. I did mint around 3 of these NFTs. I did sell them pretty early on. The project has made a massive comeback, and actually owning one of these Angry Armadillos from Magic Eden being their Genesis 1 collection does get you a free mint pass for the holders. So the more of these that you guys do hold, the more free mint passes you will receive. I mean, dude, we're talking about new art, new utility, cross-chain events, and overall this team is super transparent and super hardworking. With almost 10,000 followers on Twitter and the Gen 2 mint coming up on March 24th with a new roadmap, new utility, new gaming experiences, and new arts. We get ourselves the new Gen 2 drop, cross-chain protocol, free mint for the holders of the Gen 1 collection, staking and token launch, and a PFR gaming experience. Something really crazy about the Armadillos itself, this is going to be the first ever cross-chain Solana NFT project. That's right, they're going to be bridging between Solana and Ethereum, which won't really have an effect on you as the holder, but it will open the doors greatly to everyone else. And their overall staking through their protocol will be on the Polygon blockchain, which is probably one of the fastest and best for transaction rates at the moment. So the Armadillos team is opening up a lot of doors. You'll be able to actually stake your Genesis 1 and Gen 2 Armadillos through their own staking protocol on their website for their Dillo token, with different sorts of locked up yielding performances as well. I mean, shit, that's where the doomed Armadillos come into play as well. The Genesis roadmap is as follows, with the community wallet, free airdrops, blue chip NFT access, crypto crypt, and charity incentive. And the roadmap 2022 for the new generation of the doomed Armadillos comes into play as well, with the first cross-chain Solana NFT project, cross-chain bridging between Ethereum, Solana, and Polygon through their staking and tokenomics, and a play for rewards gaming system. They're bridging between physical world and the metaverse, bringing in a play to earn card game as well. And I think the stuff the Armadillo fam has in store for us has a lot of fucking hype behind it. And like I said, this is going to be a very OG project on Solana. I minted one of these, I think, back in December, so it's been around 4 months since they've launched, and they're still around. So with a play to earn card game, cross-chain incentive, play for rewards with Generation 1 and 2 of the NFT collection, staking protocol for both generations as well, a whole new roadmap, bridging between Solana, Ethereum, Polygon, putting in a lot of transparency and a lot of work, and making this the first cross-chain Solana NFT project. I think 2022 has a lot in store for us, and I think Armadillos are doing the right thing, taking the right step this early. Really quickly, ladies and gentlemen, a quick word from today's video sponsor, FTX. If you guys are looking for the simplest and easiest ways to buy cryptocurrency and NFTs, the FTX mobile app is your place to go. Also offering a free cryptocurrency coin with every $10 that you spend on the platform. It's a no-brainer to click the link down below, sign up today for free, and make your first deposit with the links down below. With FTX also offering no ACH fees, no fixed minimum transaction fees, and no ACH withdrawal fees as well. It's a no-brainer to click the link down below, make your first deposit, support me and the channel, while saving out on ridiculous fees. I use FTX on my phone. I get a free coin every single $10 that I trade. I use their NFT marketplace because I'm sick of paying gas transactions on Ethereum. And overall, FTX has the most simplified and user-friendly interfaces. And overall, it is the best platform out there. And yeah, guys, stop sleeping because like this is the best platform around. Down below. The Looks Rare Studio is coming back to us with their second collection of the Maryjane's NFTs. And you guys might be wondering, what's the Maryjane's? Well, it's Best Buds Generation 2, essentially. And the only way to actually get greenlisted for this launch is to own yourself a Best Bud and to have it staked during the time of the snapshot. Best Buds is a massive project on Solana. These things are currently trading for upwards of 18 to 20 Solana, with some of the rare ones trading for a lot more, up on that 25 to 40 to 50 Solana range, with honestly probably some of the best art I've seen on Solana for this type of genre. I'm a huge fan of the Stoned Ape crew, the Best Buds crew, and overall what they're bringing to the table is massive for the marijuana CBD side of real world utility. And that's kind of where the Maryjane's come into play. This is going to be their second collection of the female green chips to the Solana ecosystem. Like I mentioned earlier, the only way to get greenlisted for this collection is going to be to have a Best Bud staked at the time of the snapshot, and then the public mint is going to start at, I believe, 4.2 Solana, so a little bit more pricier. But if you got into Best Buds at an early time in the Solana ecosystem, you'd be at a good entry point as well. I was buying these and calling these in the Patreon at around 3 to 6 Solana, and now they're trading for around 20. I did swing trade a few of those, and I picked up another one just a few days ago. metaverse utility, staking utility, overall real world utility, and a collab with Stoned Ape Crew being one of the biggest blue chip NFTs on Solana. Stoned Ape Crew was one of my first ever Solana videos. I was buying these at around 7 to like 15-ish area. I got a few of them at 3 as well. I did sell out of these at around that 80 range because you gotta take your profits. I did get myself a free nuked ape as well of their second collection. And the best buds are making their way into the territory of the Maryjane field. So with the Maryjanes coming up very, very soon, I think it is going to be a no-brainer to get your hands on one of these. The Dutch auction mint is going to be at 4 Solana for the mint, which is a lot of money. So if you are holding on to one of these right now, your best bet is to stake it and to get that free whitelist entry. I believe it's a 0.69 mint. So you will be getting into these at an early entry price, and they should run up quite a bit. My predictions for the overall best bud marketplace are probably going to be on the side of things of running up to around 25, 30 before the snapshot is taken, as people are going to be scounging around for these. So I did pick up one of these to probably flip during that run up during the snapshot. I'll probably stake one as well just to get myself the whitelist / green list for the Maryjane collection, because I mean, dude, these things look fucking sick and I'm super excited for this collection itself. Like, overall, the attention to details to this new female collection is fucking unreal. Sorry for cursing so much, but dude, look at this. Look at this. This looks insane, bro. So I'm super excited for the future of best buds with the multi-use utility, real world, and obviously on the ecosystem of Solana blockchain itself. Overall, dude, this shit's just making a run up and I'm super stoked for the future of it. So, hey yo, if you guys enjoyed today's video, let me know down below. If you guys are interested in the Patreon or, you know, just supporting me in general, subscribe to the channel and like the video. It's as simple as that. Also, the Patreon is getting a 5 Solana giveaway this month. So if you're in there, good luck. If you're not and you want to enter for a chance to win, I mean, good luck as well. Not financial advice. Do your own, you know, due diligence. If you guys want to support me, of course, links are down below. I'll see you all later. Sign up on FTX. Have a good day. Bye-bye.